Experience Jesus. The words that I speak unto you, they are spirit, and they are life. John chapter 6 verse 63. To one of the most religious men of his day, Jesus said, "Ye must be born again." John 3:7. Nicodemus could not substitute his profound knowledge of religion for spiritual rebirth, and neither can we. I have read a book on water skiing, and it did not take long for me to learn that I could never learn to water ski by reading a book. I would have to experience it. I have read a number of books on golf, but none of them seems to improve my game. I must get out on the golf course and play. You may study theology and religion, but there comes a time when you must experience Christ for yourself. Prayer for the day. Lord, you have given me life and I praise you.